Wow, they tore that McDonald's down pretty quick. If you guys watch one of my videos, I was talking about how coming down here on 940 in Mount Pocono, they built the new McDonald's, and the old McDonald's is already down. So they don't mess around. They probably maybe will lose, I would say 10, maybe 2 weeks at the most, but doing a lot there. Down. $99 for a TV, 65 inch. Is that a good deal or what? Hey folks, Patdees, November. We're gonna see if we can still find some things, and I want you guys to tell me, would you buy it or not? For what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find some items. I'm gonna scan this 15-minute video, about 4 or 5 items. I'm gonna tell you what we pay for here at Ollies, what it would sell on Amazon and on eBay, and you tell me, would you buy it or not? All right, so let's dig in. Boy, the books here are sloppy right now. So I'm looking for something to really stand out, but everything's a mess. Okay, you know what? Let's try this book. Peloton Hacks, the unofficial guide to getting the most from your bike. We're gonna scan that in. That'll be the first. We'll do that book. Let's scan that in. Okay. And check some of the toys here. Billy Build Me Up Fire Station. Alright, let's scan this one and see what this one sells for. $8.99. It says normally it's $12.99. So let's check that one. Okay, I couldn't find a UPC on this one. It's kind of strange, because usually but I can't find it. So that one wasn't scanned at all, so that's a bad example. But what I'll do is I'll get home and look that up and see exactly what it goes for. Now here's a Nerf gun. Hasbro, $7.99, $14.99. Let's see what that was. Okay, that was item number 2. So we did a book, we did a toy. Let's see what else we can find. These pillows are nice. Office Space, the game. Okay, so this may be a good one. $6.99, and retails for $9.99. Now, roughly looking at that, if that sells for $20 on Amazon, that should be a $3 or $4 profit maker. So let's scan that and find out. Now, I am going down the toy aisle a little bit because we are at the Christmas holidays. So obviously, toys should be the hot item. But now look at those. Those are $3.99 Nitro, but normally it says they sell for $7, $8. So it's okay. That item I'm going to feature too. I'm going to have to do this when I upload and edit, fighting the music there. Now last year when COVID was shut down, I was actually doing pretty good with some of these type things, the fishing stuff. This is $5.99. Stickers covered up on that one. $4.99. Let's see what this one is. Ooh, oh, yeah, there's not much there. But let's look this up. This is a fishing. This will be our third or fourth item. Okay, let's go over here and let's pick a hair care product. Last year, hair care products were actually hot. You got to be careful because I've done this. See this? You buy this package, and the brush is missing. You know what? Since we honed in on this one, let's scan this and see what if this is a good pick or not. I'm trying to find stuff that would always. Now the problem is something like this is just the weight of it. Candles. Paint is a hazard material. Oh. What's on this end canvas? Okay. Yeah, see. You got a pound item, which automatically makes $8 for shipping. So, not gonna even scan that one. A picker up reaching tool. Good for dumpster diving. $4.99. Okay, you know what? Let's scan that. Let's scan it. Okay, that one I couldn't find. The UPC wasn't scanning in. It looks like it's a generic. It's either blue or red. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to look this up, and I'm not seeing nothing. So if you want me to get it, let me know. Came across this 2-pack complete plastic model kit, $7.99. That's and it's pretty light, so that can ship first class. Actually, the only problem is you're gonna have to pad that so the box is not getting crushed. But it's sealed. $7.99. Says their price is $14.99. I'm gonna scan that and see exactly how much, and then again I'll follow up on you with that. So, all right, let's check it out. Okay, if you guys made it this far, you can see I think this is a good deal, and this is the score of the day at Ollies, and I should probably spend about 150 bucks. I've been here about half an hour, and I'll profit roughly the same. Well, I have to say, I just came out of that Ollies, but I was fighting the background music, and that's why I didn't want to record too much in there. But just leaving Ollies, scored pretty good. I paid $243, and one thing I will say, and I'll give this Ollies a thumbs up. I went to pull up my 10% coupon. All of a sudden it went blank. And the lady had saw that I wasn't. And she said, no. I said, no. I already used my 15% coupon off. So she called a manager over, and they did a price override, and they gave me the 10% off, which was nice because it saved me about 30 bucks. And so I spent close to, I spent like $260 today, but it would have been 300 bucks. So again, so it's very nice. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go home. I'm actually doing a Facebook pickup, like I said. Bought some blank VHS from somebody about another 20 minutes away. But it's worth the trip because the price is so damn good that I can make 40, 50 bucks just off of that. So with this stuff and that, it's still $150, $200 a day in just roughly 3 hours worth of sourcing. So that's a good deal. I'm gonna go home and put this all together, and I'll show you, and I'll pull up the stuff that I scanned, and I want you guys to tell me, would you buy or not? So you could see, obviously at the very end, I did buy the model planes and the boats, or the ships, whatever, and they were well worth it. And the other stuff, I'll let you guys tell me whether I got it or not, or whether you would have gotten it. So, hey, I do appreciate the support. I am Patdees, the traveling picker. If you guys could give me a thumbs up, I'd greatly appreciate it. The reason I'm doing an Ollies video, I'm analyzing some of my other Ollies videos that I've done before in the past, and they've done okay. And you know, it's not as easy sourcing this year as it was last year, but things were different with COVID and stuff like that. People weren't willing to come out as much, and that's what made the difference. It was more so that I was making money being the runner for stuff. So people didn't mind sometimes paying an extra $3 an item because they didn't have to leave the house. So, all right, thanks, guys.
Yeah, that's freaking 10:45 a.m. Literally the first time where there is nobody except for Patdees here. Okay?
Nobody?
The whole area just looks like completely trash. We had a nice subscriber, Connie, put the broken glass and paper there.